Right, welcome back. Everyone's trying to save money. We're going to be putting one of these Smith's Time Guard PIR internal sensors into there. Right, so this is our hole in the ceiling that we've drilled, and this is the back of our sensor. So we've just put the cables in and the cord clips in. We've got a bit of green and yellow sleeving on there, and the back of the sensor has got connector blocks which are quite well fitted in. We're going to get these cables now connected into the back of our sensor. So now we've got our green and yellows put away. So now we've got our CPC put away. We're now going to connect the black cable into L1 because that is the one going off to our light. So now we've got our neutral put away. So now we've got our black and we've identified that as our switch line. So now we're going to put our neutral away, so now we've got our neutral put away. So this is the incomer, and then that's the outgoing 3 core. So now we've got the brown into here. So this is our incoming live and our outgoing live. Normally you wouldn't have this one if you were just wiring a switch, but we have this light here is emergency. So we are, the 3 core is a permanent feed going across the light. Normally you wouldn't have that. So that's our cover on, and that's what we made the insulation that bit longer to go into the covering. So before we put that up in the ceiling, we've got this bit here, which is our length of time and our daylight, day or night time sensor. So we're going to set this to daylight and set it to about 5 or 6 minutes, then just pop it up in the ceiling. And this is what our sensor looks like from the ceiling. This is perfect. Next thing is we'll get those bits done and get them powered up. Right, so this is how our sensor works, and we're now going to step in. And there we are, just my arm alone. Got the light working, so the sensor switches the light and also switches the fan. We've got the isolator off on the fan, so it doesn't go. But yeah, so that is how those sensors work, and that's how to wire them up. So thanks for watching the video on how to wire up a sensor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again.